Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Marsha's, Mush and Stuff. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing that and definitely give me a big thumbs up today. I would greatly appreciate it. It definitely helps my channel grow and YouTube to put me in the suggested videos. So I definitely appreciate that. If you've already subscribed, thanks for watching. Guys, I definitely do appreciate it. So today for my daughter's cookout, which this is my daughter's recipe, by the way. I'm not sure where she got it, but she usually does a peach cobbler. So I wanted to take my spin on it and make an apple cobbler. So you'll need 2 cans of the apple pie filling. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree, and the cake mix as well. And I did not get this at the Dollar Tree, that can opener that does not work. So I go back to my handy dandy old one. And guys, that's just what you'll need to get started. But you'll take your pie filling once you do get it open with a decent can opener. And you'll pour that evenly into 1 to 2 pans, depending on how much you're going to make and how big you want, how many people you want to serve. So guys, just scoop it straight out, put it straight into your pan. And once I open the second pan, I realized this is going to be a bit too much for one pan. So I end up breaking out my Dollar Tree brownie pan. And the cake pan is also from Dollar Tree, just to let you know. So everything for this except for the butter did come from the Dollar Tree. You guessed it. So just put your pie filling, smooth it out. And like I said, I noticed that, yeah, this wasn't going to be enough space. So I get out the brownie pan, and there you go. So I dispersed it evenly into both pans. And then you're just going to take your yellow cake mix and put it right on top. So you also want to disperse this evenly. Make sure that all of the pie filling is coated with the yellow cake mix, because this is going to be your cobbler crust. This is the yummy good stuff on top, guys. So all you need here again is 1 stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup of butter. You can melt it, or you can do what I did, which was slice the butter and put it on top. Bake it at 350 for 30 to 45 minutes. I set my timer for 30 minutes. And my hands are clean, by the way, because you're going to see me smooth down this cake mix with my hand. So I just took my hand along the top and smoothed it all down. There we go. Right like that. And guys, once you have all the pie filling covered, you're going to go on top and add your butter. So once you slice your butter, you can add those little slices. Sorry, I had to wash my hands. You're gonna see that it's coming up. There we go. So the butter, I'm showing you, you're gonna slice it. You can also wait and put this on once this starts to get to a medium golden brown. Not really a golden brown, but when it's almost there. So you could put it in just like that with just the cake mix on top. But I like to put butter on mine first so that I can kind of gauge, you know, how brown it's getting. And because I definitely don't want to burn the cake mix. So I go ahead, I slice it up, I cover both pans, both cake mixes in both pans with my slices of butter. But then guys, I did notice at the end that it wasn't all getting golden brown, and there were some places that were still just cake mix. So I did go back and melt a little more butter, not even a 1/2 of a stick, just enough so that I could pour it evenly onto both. Once I saw it cooking and did not see it, and you'll see it here in a minute. So as it's cooking, Yeah, sorry about this. I was trying to show you where to set your oven to, but yeah, I can tell you that. 350. 350, 30 minutes. And there I am. Hello. Happy 4th of July. So there we go. That's in the oven. Just getting going at 350 again. I am stressing that 350 to you. Okay, so go ahead, close your oven door. And yeah, so I do run off Jesus and tea. Sometimes coffee. But mainly Jesus. So right there you see. But see that golden brown? That's what some melted butter will do. Guys, thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July. Bye.